First, the headlines. Centre scraps free movement regime between India and Myanmar to ensure internal security of country. Fox Vice President is assaulted by 𝐶𝐰𝐬. Fox President demands apology within 24 hours to boycott ad if apology not tendered. And political parties in the state prepare candidates for ensuing Lok Sabha polls. Hello, welcome to Northeast Window. This is SURBALA MAIREMBAM, giving you the latest news update at this hour. Now the news in detail. In order to resolve to secure India's border by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the centre has decided to scrap the free movement regime FMR between India and Myanmar, Union Home Minister Amit Shah today. Taking to microblogging site X today, Union Home Minister Amit Shah announced that the Ministry of Home Affairs MAHA has decided that the free movement regime FMR between India and Myanmar be scrapped to ensure the internal security of the country and to maintain the demographic structure of northeastern state bordering Myanmar. Amit Shah wrote, since the Ministry of External Affairs is currently in the process of scrapping it, MAHA has recommended the immediate suspension of the FMR. The formal decision from Home Minister comes after when Union Home Minister Amit Shah has announced on February 6, which was posted on X, that his government has decided to construct a fence along the entire 1,643 km long Indo-Myanmar border. To facilitate better surveillance, a patrol track along the border will also be paved, he had said. Out of the total border length, a 10-km stretch in Moray, Manipur has already been fenced. Furthermore, 2 pilot projects of fencing through a hybrid surveillance system, HSS, are under execution. They will fence a stretch of 1 km each in Arunachal Pradesh and Manipur. Additionally, fence works covering approximately 20 km in Manipur have also been approved, and the work will start soon, the Home Minister added. Welcoming the decision of the centre, Chief Minister of Manipur N. Biren expressed immense gratefulness to PM Narendra Modi and Home Minister Shri Amit Shah for their commitment to securing the borders. The decision to scrap the free movement regime FMR between India and Myanmar, as recommended the Ministry of Home Affairs India, is crucial for the internal security and the demographic integrity of the northeastern state. This is yet another historic decision in curbing illegal immigration and strengthening the internal security after the recent announcement to fence the 1,643 km Indo-Myanmar border by Government of India, the Chief Minister said on his social media post.
Yesterday, we got a very encouraging and effective social media uploaded by our Honorable Union Home Minister Shri Amit Shah ji in connection with the boundary fencing along the 1,643 kilometers length bordering with the northeastern state and the Myanmar. And for this announcement and commitment of the central government, I first of all thanks to our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji and Honorable Union Home Minister Shri Amit Shah ji for the exact step taken as desired by the people of Manipur to fence the border between Myanmar and the Manipur sector. Particularly in this area, many of the illegal immigrants as well as many of the illegal immigrant and also drug trafficking and small arms smugglings were happened. And over and above, the present crisis of violences occur in the state of Manipur is one of the root causes, the loose and porous boundary, the position of the Manipur sector of the Myanmar boundary.
Federation of Civil Society Organization Fox Manipur has issued a stern warning against 𝐶𝐰𝐬, maintaining that the organization will boycott 𝐶𝐰𝐬 if the leaders of the Meitei organization doesn't tender an apology within 24 hours. The warning was issued by President of Fox 𝐶𝐤𝐰𝐬 against an assault on Vice President of Fox BM Yaima Saha by members of 𝐶𝐰𝐬 over earth excavation at Haibokching in Imphal West District yesterday. BM Yaimasa is currently undergoing medical treatment at public hospital Hata Minutong after he was beaten up by 80 members. Addressing media person in connection with the incident, Manihar questioned if the motive of Rambai Tengol is to break up or sap Manipur. Further questioning if it is trying to create tension among different communities coexisting in the state, Manihar maintained that AT must tender an apology and clarify at the earliest. He continued that the assault on BM Saha, despite identifying himself as the vice president of Folks, is utter disrespect to the organization, demanding that Rambai Tengol must apologize by 4 p.m. tomorrow. He contended that if the group fails to apologize, it is a high time people of the state found out the truth and those backing Rambai Tengol, which has been trying to break up Manipur, he maintained. Manihar further warned that Folks along with the people will boycott every activity of the group if its key leaders don't come to Folks office and tender an apology, adding a leader of a group must have the moral responsibility to apologize when one is wrong and that there is nothing to be ashamed about it, Manihar continued.
Kali hantar tak ada buat thorapa aram bayar berkeno, jadi naharun mayam sentimen, naharun mayam apa pusat lakanda, siapa, aduh kamu kampus sini, Federation of Civil Society Organization, Folks, hari segi, BP dah, pergi, karim tak pergi, organisasi lama lagi, mai yang dah, aduh kamu laba, itu saya itu naik mayam na, aram bayar Tengol berkeno dah, semua kesulitan apa problem kaki, bapa gumba, mapu gumba sudah mapu, harga dah pergi BP dah, terus bersih, kuat lagi na, kandiam tongninge. Aduh kalau ini na, sigumba lebat ki interest na sungko ini hai ga, lebat kaya apa, thabuk thong tahu bersih, matunda aman na tahu na hai bawa pun tahu maga, koi hamzari, aduh sigi problem si thok terima kita makata, thok terima kita pengarang, koi na, bawa ki Rambai Tengol ki busing pulen kenano, mapam sidal agan sidal lale hai ro hai bagi, mapam thamakan kita makoi inisiatif pirakte, aduh atheng bada makoi ki office tu unasiane koi, sigumba lebat macam tak ada ba, aduh kalau garan handa Tolapa, aduh kalau karina tahu di sini kamu apa, Manipur tugai nama tolak ibadah kalau apa, kamu sih nggak sudah tahu ibadah apa sih, yang nama sih, pada kena lepas macam tak ada masih lepas biar nama, aku itu tahu ibadah Rambai Tengol tahu ibadah sih karina masih, padahal tidak piawai wapun demi kaya sambil kalau ini na, ngarang sih lah akan aku na hero, lalai hero itu kalau saya pakai anda, aku ngarang latre, hidup terlele, mana masih na, aku na Federation of Civil Society Organization sambil ini sih, Rambai Tengol pami sih, karina lepas sih, tugai lepas pami bra, nanti lepas sih kan pami bra, nanti kan Maitai kunai kan pami bra, Manipur kan pami bra, nanti kan kamunen masih, kau masih leriba, zaman apa kau jati sih sih, ama kau thandra kan terus nampak pami bra itu sih, atuh macam tak kabar itu cengkor, pukul mana na, soiba harus sih lakukan dah, lepas biam dah macam soiba harus sih lakukan dah, lalai hire kita ni apa sih, masih Federation of Civil Society Organization Maikai lagi, hayengi pun mari buki macam kau pisah di sini, kali kamu masih dah, kau nak lakukan, siapa tu target ni, aku nak hire Rambai Tengol hire ngarana, thorap lepas kau kan apa thorap iba, sigumba, injak kau mana iseng apa thorap Rambai Tengol sih, aku boycott orang ni, apa tu sekarang kan aku plan orang ni apa sih, masih Federation of Civil Society Organization ni Maikai ni, thamsa bukan loh na, atuh macam dah, aku ini pilih macam sih mana orang kau lakukan siapa tu target ni, atuh tu apa tu kau ni mak Rambai Tengol na puguda mana hai apa thamsa bukan loh na, Manipur tu lebih ni ba, imai biar mayam kasi, Rambai Tengol tu inisiatif pilih na. Mesti increase tahu lebih mayam sih nggak masih Rambai Tengol na tahu sih karino hai masih ngasih dekat tiga piawai wapam jema thamsa ke, itu kalau ini na, ngasih asih kumlo buat sahih kuncan ibu pun mamang dekat taruh lepas kita makta kathor lepas mesti panggil, orang tu ada kumlo lepas kita makta makai thar ke ada lagi masih kumlo mesti panggil, mayam mapa masih na mana taruh tabuk masih kangdang ngasih, orang tu ada ngang tabuk isi, masih kuai dekat ada apa tabuk, ada kumlo lepas macam tak ada ba, thawong ni hai betul thamsa bukan na, amukan na thamsa ke, hari ba Rambai Tengol na tholai isi, aku masih tanah si hai bra, natra kan dah aku noi lepas kan ke hai bra, hai bersih mak, aku tuh kama tanda bersih, centok pukul mana na, aku ke anak bersih tu lah kan aku 24 hour, aku nak pilih bahaya pun mari boxe, aku kerana hendak pilih mana, segi mana untuk kali gumpas centok tapi targa dia betul tu apa pada tadi tu mak Rambai Tengol pukul tu mana hai bersih, madu aku hamzari mage anak, aduh kalau ini nama gari, aduh macam dah madu dengan si, pun manga boki mana untuk khilat tapi targa dia, munba sen hapa. Ada pun apa mi pada apa mi ni ada kalau pun ada apa je, Federation of Civil Society Organization Maikai lagi, hamzari, ada kali gua aku ini pilih macam masih masih ke manung dah aku Rambai Tengol sedok terapa, lepas miam dah as well as ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯣꯛꯁꯦ ꯁꯦꯡꯗꯣꯛꯇꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯅꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗꯒꯤ ꯅꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯅꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯐꯝꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯕꯣꯏꯀꯣꯠ ꯇꯧꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯐꯣꯛꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯤ.
Speaking to media person about incident from his hospital bed, Vice President of 𝐍𝐄𝐰𝐬 said, upon being informed that his younger brother, the driver of the truck carrying the excavated soil from 𝐻𝐻, was arrested by a group of 80 volunteers, he rushed to spot when he identified himself as the Vice President of 𝐻𝐻. 80 members not questioned the authenticity of 𝐻𝐻 but also started to beat him up. He was then released. Condemning the 𝐍𝐄𝐰𝐬 said maintained that it is never right to raise hands on a person of their parents' age, no matter how wrong the person may be, stating that the 80 members are all like his sons. He termed their action as inhuman.
𝐿𝐠𝐞𝐰𝐬 ꯇꯨꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗ ꯇꯨꯕꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗ ꯀꯥꯎꯔꯛꯄ ꯐꯥꯎꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯁꯤ ꯈꯪꯉꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯊꯕꯛꯇ ꯀꯥꯎꯔꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯣꯔꯛꯀꯥꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯁꯤ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯪ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯅꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯅꯄꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯍꯟꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯈꯨꯠ ꯊꯥꯕꯁꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤ ꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯦ ꯊꯣꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯁꯤ ꯐꯝꯍꯜꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯗ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯁꯤ ꯏꯅꯥꯎꯅꯨꯄꯥ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯍꯩꯕꯥ ꯊꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯅꯍꯥꯟꯈꯩꯁꯨ ꯊꯧꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯀꯔꯝꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯥꯟꯁꯦ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯅꯣ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇꯪ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯃꯔꯥꯟ ꯀꯣꯛꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯦ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯅꯦ.
Even as the crisis in the stripe-torn state of Manipur continues, without any sign of reaching a solution in the near future, and despite the fact that it is not yet certain whether the general election of the 18th Lok Sabha election in April and May this year could be held in the state or not, some political parties have reportedly geared up to pick up probable candidates for the ensuing Lok Sabha elections. According to sources, Indian National Congress (INC) is reported to have selected 2 key office bearers of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee (MPCC) to contest for the seat of Inner and Outer Manipur Parliamentary Constituency in the upcoming Lok Sabha election. Although the names of the 2 candidates have not been officially announced, sources told the Northeast Window News that the party is likely to field Vice President of MPCC Hareswar Goswami and Working President of the party, Victor Kaising, for the seat of Inner and Outer Manipur Parliamentary Constituency, respectively. In this regard, Chairman of AICC Cluster 5 Screening Committee and former Speaker of Punjab Legislative Assembly, Rana Kanwar Pal Singh, and former spokesperson of Karnataka Pradesh Congress Committee and former MLC of Karnataka Legislative Assembly, 𝐶𝐈 D'Souza, who were all a lightning visit to Manipur yesterday, reportedly held a meeting with MPCC leaders at Congress Bhavan on BT Road. President of MPCC MLA 𝐂𝐫𝐵 Chandra, CLP leader and former Chief Minister of Bobi, CWC member 𝐂𝐲𝐰𝐬, former MP Dr. 𝐶𝐄𝐰𝐬, former Minister and local among other MPCC leaders were present at yesterday's meeting. General Secretary Admin S. Jiten Singh had on January 5 issued a notice that a joint meeting of Pradesh Election Committee (PEC) and Political Affairs Committee (PAC) and members of AICC Screening Committee was scheduled at 1:30 p.m. yesterday, with the ensuing General Election 2024 as the meeting's agenda. However, the AICC team met the PCC leaders for only a short duration as the former's flight to Impal arrived late. However, INC Manipur shared on its social media platform that AICC leaders Rana KP Singh and 𝐶𝐈 D'Souza visited Imphal yesterday and interacted with PCC leaders at Congress Bhavan and discussed the present Manipur crisis. It said the meeting took stock of the prevailing situation in Manipur due to the prolonged conflict. The AICC high-level team along with the PCC members discussed the law and order and security scenario of the state and resolved to take appropriate necessary action to bring peace in the state. The AICC team also acknowledged the hardship of the common people in the state, the social media post said. Now let's take a short break.
Introducing a newbie challenge at SS Career Solution. Admission open for Sunday and daily classes. In this program, you will be able to be a powerful communicator, speak with tonality, get the pleasing personality, enhance your beauty and lifestyle. Sense awareness on helping behaviors, table etiquettes, learn cleanliness and hygiene culture, art and craft as hobby, and culinary skills. Limited seats, so grab the opportunity. We also provide specialized classes on main topics like vocabularies, voice and accent, intonation, and grammar. For more details, contact SS Career Solutions, 2nd floor, Gypsy Building, More Market, Pauna Bazaar in Pop. For more information, kindly do call us at 762-896-0947.
Welcome you all to Unapa School Channel, Imphal East, a fully residential school ranked Manipur #1 in All India School Ranking Awards 2023-24 by Education World in Co-Education Boarding School category. Academic session for 2024-25 will begin on 1st April 2024. Registrations are open for classes 4 to 9. Hurry up for registration.
Welcome back. Situation in the state remained tense with a sporadic incident of firing, but was under control during the last 24 hours between February 6 and 7, as per a report from Manipur Police Control Room. The report said search operation and area domination were conducted by security forces in the fringe and vulnerable areas of Hill and Valley District. It said security forces apprehended 2 active cadres of UNLFK and 1 active cadre of KCP from Kamdong district on Monday. A case has been registered at Jasad police station in this regard for further investigation, the report continued. On the other hand, movement of 216 and 226 vehicles along National Highway 37 and National Highway 2 respectively with essential items was ensured. Strict security measures were taken up in all vulnerable locations and security convoy was provided along sensitive stretches in order to ensure free and safe movement of the vehicles. A total of 141 checkpoints were installed in different districts of Manipur, both in the hill and the valley, and police detained 200 persons in connection with violation in different districts of the state, the report said. The notification for election to 56 seats of Rajya Sabha in 15 states was issued today. Nomination can be filed from today till 15th of this month and polling will be held on 27 February. 10 seats from Uttar Pradesh, 6 seats each from Maharashtra and Bihar, 5 seats each from West Bengal and Madhya Pradesh, 4 seats each from Gujarat and Karnataka, 3 seats each from Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Rajasthan and Odisha, and 1 seat each from Uttarakhand, Chhattisgarh, Haryana and Himachal Pradesh will go to polls. Former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, BJP National President Jagat Prakash Nadda, Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, Ashwini Biswas, Bhupendra Yadav, Praswatam Rupala, Manuk Mandaviya, Dr. Murugan Rajiv Chandrasekhar are among those who are coming their tenure in April this year. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today took an apparent dig at Congress for bringing out a black paper against the government, saying it will work to cast off any evil eye as his government continues to work for the growth of the nation. Speaking in Rajya Sabha during the farewell of several retiring members, Modi stressed that in the last 10 years, the country has progressed in every field. Modi lauded former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh, who is also retiring from the House today, saying his contribution has been immense. He added that the way Dr. Manmohan Singh guided the House and country will always be remembered. He also praised the former Prime Minister for coming to board in Rajya Sabha on a wheelchair to help strengthen democracy. Leader of opposition in the House, Mallikarjun Kharge, said bills should not be passed in a hurry and there should be thorough discussion on them. He stated that healthy discussion and debate are necessary for a democracy. Deputy Chairman Harin Bas lauded the contribution made by the retiring MP, saying that it is a matter of pride to be a member of the upper house. Union Health Minister Dr. Mansukh Mandaviya highlighted the achievement made by the present government. Three Union Minister, Junior Agriculture Minister Arjun Munda, Junior Home Minister Nityanand Rai and Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal and a central government delegation have been rushed to Chandigarh to meet representatives of protesting Punjab farmers. The meeting is expected at 6 p.m. Meanwhile, a second unrelated protest is reportedly playing out on the Delhi-Noida border, where Uttar Pradesh farmers are demanding increased compensation and developed plots in exchange for local development authorities acquiring their farmlands for infrastructure and other projects. A large crowd had gathered near Noida's Mahamaya flyover at 12:30 p.m. ahead of a march to the Parliament building in Delhi, about 18 kilometers away. The protest call and the assembly of the farmers triggered a security response, with paramilitary forces and riot control vehicles deployed. There were also reports of scuffles between farmers and the police, and several protesters were detained. Police in Noida have banned large gatherings to stop the farmers from amassing in the township or entering Delhi. They have also issued a traffic advisory. A senior police officer said the possibility of anti-national element cannot be ruled out. Haryana police have also issued notices to farmers asking them not to join the protest and warning them of huge losses if they do. And before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Center scraps a free movement regime between India and Myanmar to ensure internet security of country. Fox Vice President assaulted by Arambai Tengol. Fox President demands apology within 24 hours to boycott ad if apology not tendered. And political parties instead prepare candidates for ensuing Lok Sabha polls. And that is all we have for now, but for more news updates, keep watching Northeast Window.